Hello and welcome back. In this class, I'm going to teach you how to use good intonation in questions. We are going to have a look at two types of questions. The first one we call a yes or no question. A yes or no question is one that the answer begins with yes or no. For example, have you got a car? Have you got a car? Oh, are you tired? Are you tired? Do you speak English? Do you speak English? Can you swim? Can you swim? The other type of question we are going to look at, it's called information question. It's that sort of a question you want to know more information about the person or about something. And we use words like what, where, when, how, and so on. For example, where are you from? Where are you from? Or what have you been up to? What have you been up to? So when you ask a yes or no question, your intonation should go up. It should rise in the end. For example, are you Brazilian? Are you Brazilian? Does your sister study English? Does your sister study English? Is he your dad? Is he your dad? Now, when you make an information question, your intonation should go down. We call it a falling intonation. For example, how did you get here? How did you get here? How many siblings have you got? How many siblings have you got? Or you can simply ask, what's that? What's that? And now let's have a look at these dialogues and pay attention to the intonation. Are you working? Yes, I am. Where are you working? I'm working at the mall. Have you eaten? Yes, I have. What have you eaten? I've eaten some pasta. Is he walking? Yes, he is. Where is he walking? He's walking to the park. Are her parents at home? No, they aren't. Where are her parents? They're traveling. Are you a teacher? No, I'm not. What do you do? I'm an engineer. So remember, if you are making a yes or no question, your intonation should go up. But if you are making an information question, it should go down. So always listen to yourself when you are making this kind of questions. I hope you have enjoyed this class. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, and I will see you next time. Bye bye.